guys, bird watching day.
Look over there.
Quack.
I told you, it's coming, Cecilia.
So this one is gonna follow us. You're so beautiful. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Ahora con ellos.
Flashing Meadow Lake. Bird watching.
He's making waste.
Yeah, very early in the morning. It's good to do it. Is looking for the family or maybe the male. Bianco and his morning friends, all the dogs and ducks too. Bianco sharing his breakfast. Let's go for more bird watching. He continue feeding the birds. We have Flashing Meadow Park. Terrace on the park. There used to be a helicopter landing, but now it's a restaurant. We have Flashing Meadow Park, and this is the monument that Men in Black used as the spaceships. Boathouse. Learn to sail in Queens. Sunday.
Run away! Run away!
What happened?
Run away! Run away from the bird army!
Ah.
Ahora ellos están aquí. Yo voy a ir caminando allá. Y ahí los sigues a ellos.
Bianco and his daddy turn on the speaker with the bird chirping to gather all the birds in one place. I show you in a few. This one, we are coming for you. Another area in the Meadow Lake. We brought fruit, water, and the most important, the telescope, to wait for the birds to gather together. One is coming. Biggie, okay. Biggie, you need to go with Daddy. Wait for the birds. Be very patient, please, and start praying too.
Yes, Mom.
The first one is here. The first one. Look at that. So beautiful. It's totally black, but on the wings, it's red color with orange. We have to find out the name. So beautiful. Good job, good job. Chris, finding more about the bird. Is looking for the family and the wife. So amazing. Beautiful creation of God. So cute. Caesar is moving to another place. And so the waiting was good. Let's go to another spot. There is one here. He feels the dog and went to the tree. He went back. I think he's getting some leftover to eat. He went back to the tree because he saw a man passing by.
Rated heavily intended out.
This one has to come to us. One here. This bird is calling the other bird that it's in this tree. God, they come very close to me. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the wings. Oh, he's drinking water. He's very close to us. Look at that. Wow, we went all the way over there. Caesar put the speaker in the tree for this bird to come. There are two here. ¿Puedes hablar en inglés? Es una grabación para los niños. Ok. Bianco, ¿puedes explicar algo? ¿Qué está pasando? Cállate, ahí está.
Bye. See you in the next series, Max on Fire.